Hello and welcome to Agreeing on My Video. I'm Matt. Now the camera might not seem very steady, and well, it's not steady because I'm holding it, just by the way. But anyway, today is no, it's not Halloween, is it? That was the other week. Today is Bonfire night, or Guy Fawkes Day / night, whatever you want to call it. So happy Bonfire night / Guy Fawkes Day night. This is the night when there's mainly bonfires and fireworks going on. So I hope you're having a safe day / night. And there's been quite a lot of fireworks tonight. I have recorded some earlier on, which were being set off across the road, which were quite good. So I'll be playing those towards the end of the video. Doesn't seem to be as many fireworks now. So very misty evening. What do I say now? Right, anyway. So I'm going to go on to those fireworks now, which I recorded earlier. And so to finish off this video now, what am I going to say? I'm going to say, I hope you have enjoyed your bonfire night, your Guy Fawkes Day, and I'm going to leave you now with some fireworks I recorded earlier on across the road. So thank you for watching this video. See ya!
Bye bye, bye bye.